Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 1 science class. Your 12th chapter we need water. This we already started and we already learned about how we can clean water. So today we will discuss about the saving water. How we can save this water. So here you can see at page number 51. Everyone please open the book at page number 51. Here when it rains, you can that time keep the bucket, drums or tanks can be filled with those rain water. So in the rainy season or when the other seasons also, when it rains, that time if you keep the buckets, if you keep the drums and the tanks, those can be filled with the rain water, and this water can be used for bathing, washing, cleaning and watering plants. But you can use those rainwater for watering the plants, cleaning and the washing also. But that's not good for drinking. If you want to drink this water, that's very harmful for our health, so don't try it. But you can use those rainwater for washing, cleaning or watering plants, and we must take only that much water in a glass as is needed. So there is those water we have to take, or we must take only that much water, not excessive water. Only take that much water in a glass as which quantity of water you needed, because water is very precious nowadays. You know that water is very precious for all those, so that's why we have to save water and we must not waste it. That things we have to remember every time, that we have to or we must save water and we must not waste it. Okay, so by these things, by saving the water, by take this rainwater in the bucket or in any utensils you can use by these watering plants or washing or cleaning. But we use the water for drinking only the underground water, and these things you already learned, that how we can collect it and from which things we get those underground water. And after the taking the underground water, we have to clean the water at first, because in the rainy season that's not for good for health. So that's why if you boil the water or if you purify this water and then you drink, that is be good for our health. Okay, so we already discussed about the we need, how we need water and why we need water, because we use water different activities which we already discussed. So everyone, you have to read this chapter very attentively, and if any kinds of problem you can ask me on online class or e-portal also. Okay, and next day we will start the exercise part of this chapter. Okay, so that's all for today everyone. Have a nice day and bye.